burns. What's that burn?
Mouthwash.
Mouthwash.
This is Ibercam that
Plus, ano sa'yo tawag na? What do you call that one?
Listerine.
Char.
You want?
Yeah.
So, I get two for you and the other one is me. This is the herb bag. We're gonna have it.
Kana? Tagpi how much mo na?
Okay lang. Size.
Kana siya, kana.
Any baby happy?
Okay na sila nun.
Happy. Half.
Sa katay.
Atay. Okay. One time. Check. Cancel. 1, 2, 3. Check.
Kakuan dyan ani eh.
So, salta. One. Second.
Kaya na lang.
It's the soap. This is our soap, guys. It's like... Wait, no.
Magirit dito.
It's for Lolo Coffee.
Grandpa.
Half lang siya.
Ayaw, uy, kana na.
It's one time. This is for Lolo, guys. Triflix or bingo or breadstick or butter coconut or presto. What do you want kinds of biscuit?
Kana, Skyflix. Dara, Skyflix.
Condensada?
Ikar ka na, be. Ka Skyflix niya. Ka nang kuan.
Gani? Isa-isa? Okay. We get a spicy hot beef flat, guys. Next, what is the next? Kalinardi, guys. Advertise.
Labuyo, please.
Labuyo? Labuyo.
Sige daw ko na tong itabnil. Smile ba?
Okay. Add two. Sino nga sa Sarap?
Duha.
For barbecue?
Kag mayon lagi na.
Red?
Down.
Brown? Isa?
Darat on, oh. Kanang down ba? Dayon white. Wala ito nga. Duha na lang na. Tabi? So, for today's grocery. Oh, char. Bernas grocery, guys.
Yes, guys.
For today's grocery, charot. 1 bucket of chicken Jollibee for my family and spaghetti.
Rice.
Our
With rice.
dinner?
Yes.
Today, dinner. 1 bucket of chicken. Chicken. So, our dish today, our dinner today, it's 1 bucket chicken joy. And 1 Tupperware of spaghetti.
Yes. It have sauce.
It's gravy. So, ready to eat na, guys. And